Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, MakeupConMichi. Today, I got a good video for y'all. So, I was thinking of doing the power of makeup. I got this video inspiration from Nikki Tutorials. I love her videos on YouTube, and I'm not sure if she started the trend, but that's who I seen it first from. So basically, it's half of your face, you just leave it bare, and then the other half, you put makeup. So it's just basically the power of makeup. You get it? So I thought it was very interesting to do that video. So that's the one we're going to do. So the first thing I'm going to go in is with primer. And the one that I'll be using today is this one by Hard Candy. Is the mattifying primer. This is so bomb. I've been using this lately. Just when you put it on your face, it feels like oil, buttery. I love it. I love the way this feels. If you don't have this one, go get it. I'll link down below where I got it from, okay? So bomb. I bought this primer because I follow this girl on Instagram and she recommended it. And every time she recommends something, she never fails. She's so good. And I loved it. I bought it and honestly, I cannot complain. Remember, y'all, we're doing half of our face. Only half. If you get some on the other side, we're going to go in with the wipe and like clean it all up, okay? In case we do get something on our face. Alrighty. It's time to shave my peach fuzz. Not today. Next, I'm going in with foundation, and this is the one I use, and I'm in the shade 101.5, and that's Ivory Buff from Infallible L'Oreal. And I'm gonna go in with the sponge instead of a brush. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm using this one. I think I put too much, but hey, it's okay. Let's go all out with it, right? And what I like to do is, when I put on the concealer, I like to let it sit there for maybe a couple of seconds, and then I go in with the brush to blend it out. I just feel like it sets better that way. It gets into your pores more, and it really helps blending it out better. I don't know if I mentioned, but the brush that I got for my under eye, to blend out my under eye concealer, is the Morphe M173. Looks like this. I used to use, let's see, this one, the Morphe E8 one. But I switched to this one because I feel like this one gets like better up in your inner corner. So I like this one so much better than the other one. I have the other one as backup. You want to push the product and work your way around your eye. And then I like to go in with the sponge, whatever it's called. And just to make sure it looks seamless. You can already tell the difference. And of course, you want to set this baby because, see, no, you start getting creases. And I use the same sponge. It honestly depends on how I feel. If I want to use the brush, I use the brush. But today I feel like using the sponge. Next, I want to go in with bronzer, and this is in the shade Dulce Big Bronzer. Almost got me. No makeup. So I bought this butter bronzer, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'll explain. I feel like when I put it on my cheek, I feel it's, como digo, como que it doesn't blend out right. I don't know. I have to, next time I use it, I'll let you know so y'all can see what I'm talking about, okay? But I don't know. Does anybody else like this bronzer? Leave down in the comment area. If you do or if you don't, let me know. Next, I'm going in with blush. And I'm using the Manali in Luminoso. Next, I'm going in with highlight, and I'm using the Nicole Guerrero from Anastasia. Next, I'm going to go in back with the setting powder, the translucent one from Laura Mercier, and I'm going to just clean up my contour. While we let that set, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. And all I'm using is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium. That's as good as it's gonna get. Now wipe away the translucent powder. I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna go in with Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this palette. This is from Alter Ego's Artemis. So bomb. Just so you can like see the colors. So good. I'm going to use Snare, this one. The best thing about this challenge, the power of makeup, is that you know how sometimes it's difficult to get your other eye to match this eye? I ain't gotta worry about that. Next, I'm going to go in with Quiver. This one. I'm going back in with Snare, the orangey color, to put on my lower lash line. Going back in with Quiver, the brown color. Same thing. Let's go in with some glitter. I want to go in with this shade, Pounce. I'm gonna leave it alone just to see whenever I put on my eyelash to see what I need to add, what I don't need to put on, just to see. All right, I think this look deserves eyeliner. I'm going in with the Stila eyeliner. Sorry, I gotta get close to my mirror. I'm gonna leave it alone before I mess it up again. I'm gonna go in with Catch, this one right here, to put in my inner corner. Instead of, I always put in like a white colory one. Let's try something different today. The ones that I'm using today is the Fox Mink Wispies from Ardell. That's the one that I'll be using today. It Cosmetics mascara. Let's do some black eyeliner inside. Let's do bottom mascara. And I'm using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. There goes my lash. Sorry, I just take a long time to put on my lash and I need to be quiet and concentrate because it's a struggle. Now a tip to that I've learned, when you get mascara on your face or something, say like, I always usually get it like right here or underneath my eyeline, my waterline. What I usually do is, or what I've heard that I tried and it works, is wait until your mascara finish drying. Don't rápido like sacarlo con algo. Wait until it finished drying and then go in with a spoolie and then scrape it off. And you see that's what I just did underneath here. I just scraped it off. It kind of hurts, but just do it as soft as you can. And just scrape it off, but wait until it finishes drying, because if you do it cuando todavía está mojado, it's just going to smear everywhere. So wait until it finishes drying and just scrape it off with the tip of the spoolie. Let's do lips. I'm going in with the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color 115 Totally Toffee. And then I'm going to go in with Nudist Peach, the Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Matte Lip Gloss or lipstick. Alright, you guys, I think I'm done. Let me just like clean it up good so you can really see the difference. Alright guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, this side is makeup and this side is no makeup. And this is the challenge of the little thing that was going around, the power of makeup, which is half of your face with makeup and half of your face without makeup. Now, I don't want nobody to get me wrong. You're beautiful with or without makeup. Don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. I just wanted to try this challenge because I thought it would be fun just to see the difference. But I'm comfortable in my own skin. There's weeks I can go without makeup. I don't have to put on makeup to make myself feel beautiful. You don't either. You're beautiful with or without makeup. And like I said, don't let nobody else tell you otherwise, okay? So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching my video, what are you doing? Subscribe, okay? Subscribe, share, like, comment, everything, okay? And leave down in the comment area which video you would like to see next. See you later, guys.